to Rootin' Tootin' Adventures. Today, we're going to be talking about ecosystems. This geographical feature is crucial to help understand the Earth and its features.
This video nicely defines what an ecosystem is.
An ecosystem is a community of living things interacting with the non-living parts of their environment. There are two primary parts of an ecosystem. The biotic part is made of all the living things like plants and animals, fungi and bacteria and viruses. The abiotic part is made up of non-living things like rocks and minerals, water and energy. Ecosystems can be almost any size. While most of us think of communities like a coral reef or a forest, an ecosystem can be a small pond or even the area beneath a large rock.
So to reiterate, an ecosystem is made of living or biotic and non-living or abiotic things. It can be big or small.
Today, we'll be examining river ecosystems. We'll start with one that's close to home, the Provo River. This is the Provo River. So let's examine some of the features of this ecosystem. At first glance, we see the abiotic features. The water, the rocks. But if we look closer, we can see the biotic features.
We see birds and bugs. There are also living things we don't see. Big things like fish and deer and minuscule things like microorganisms.
So those were just a few of the many characteristics of the Provo River ecosystem. Now the interesting thing about ecosystems is they're all different, even if they are the same type of ecosystem. So for example, let us compare the Provo River ecosystem to another river ecosystem, the Mississippi River. So although you may think that the Mississippi River ecosystem and the Provo River ecosystem are going to be the same, they're actually quite different.
The Mississippi River is a lot more extensive. It is also in a completely different climate zone, so the biotic features that live and survive there are quite different from Provo. For example, the Mississippi River has many different migratory birds, freshwater mussels, otters, and a whole plethora of unique plants. Its abiotic features may differ in some respects as well, but lots are the same. For example, there are still rocks and water. Overall, though, the comparison between the two ecosystems shows that the ecosystems differ everywhere. Each ecosystem, however, is important in its own way. Ain't that just rootin' tootin'?
This has been a basic overview of the parts and characteristics of an ecosystem, specifically the river ecosystem. It's important to understand these characteristics because it helps us to understand Earth's surface to a greater extent. Next time, we'll be talking about how humans can affect the Earth. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Ranger Rachel on Rachel's Rootin' Tootin' Adventures.